Hi, I'm Dan Evans with Silver Spring Networks. Today I just want to demonstrate an example of a smart city application that we're able to deploy over the Silver Spring network. Here at the show we have a partner's device. The partner's Houston Radar. So as the name suggests, their products are radar based. They're used for traffic monitoring, traffic management. In this case, this is a product they call Sidefire, and it can be mounted on a pole and be able to view traffic across multiple lanes of a roadway. And it uses radar. There's actually 2 radar sensors there to collect information about cars moving through the point of view. Typically this is done either through running a wire across the road and counting the cars as they go across it, which can only be done in fair weather and good weather times. Doing it during the winter months is hard. Or inductive loops are in the road. That's very expensive to install. So our partner here at Houston Radar has a good solution. Typically when they deploy this, they have an onboard cellular modem built into the product, which provides them connectivity to collect all this data. This is an example here where we're replacing that cellular modem with an IoT edge router. This is a product from Silver Spring Networks that allows you to enable connectivity for any sort of application that might already be using cellular modems or any sort of Ethernet-based connectivity. So the wire that's coming down here from the sensor goes into an IoT router, into the Ethernet port. The IoT edge router has a Silver Spring NIC in it. It then communicates to the nodes that are in the area, in this case on the streetlights. And once you have that connectivity, then you can collect the data that's being monitored. And I'll show you what that software looks like. So I didn't mention, but as you can see, the radar sensor also has a camera, so it's able to take a picture or have a view of all the lanes of traffic. So it's a way of verifying the mounting and the configuration of the device. And then the graph below is showing you the data it's collecting over time. Again, in this demonstration hall, we're collecting information about pedestrian traffic. It's not really designed for that, but it's just a demonstration of the ability to use a sensor, connect it to the IoT router, and use the mesh network created by the streetlights to get data back from those sensors. So another example of a smart city application on the Silver Spring network.